Okay, now the time has come. You are ready to power this unit up. We've got oil in the system. We've plugged it into a 110 outlet. And what we want to do is get the air out of the system. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to push the power button. You're going to hear the motor running. That's going to pull. Right now it's taking the oil out of the reservoir and filling up the cylinder. Now just be patient. Don't worry that nothing's moving, because what it's doing is it's got to fill up that big cylinder underneath that runway before it's going to have any movement on them cables. So you'll run this for 15-20 seconds before you see any movement. And as you see, that cylinder's starting to come in, and that's going to tighten up those cables. Once it gets tight, then it will start to pick the deck up off of the locks. Now right before it gets tight, you want to make one quick check around the lift to make sure that all the cables are attached to the pulleys. You want to physically check to make sure that each cable is around the pulley sheave. Underneath as well, making sure the cables are on there. Want to check each one. We have a secondary lock and around the pulley, and then around each bottom of the pulleys. Around the secondary lock and the pulley. And we are good to go. So now I'll continue filling this up. Next thing you're going to see, it's going to get tight. It's going to raise the lift off of the locks, and then we're going to let it down to bleed the air out of the system. And here it comes. And we have liftoff. Once we come up enough, now I can disengage my locks. You'll see on that end that the locks are coming completely open on all four. I want to be able to see the tips of the locks so I know that all four are disengaged. And now I'm ready to lower the lift. This is going to take it down to where I can get the air out of the system. The very first time coming down, you're bleeding the system. You shouldn't have to worry about it anymore. Once I get past the last cutout for the locks on the post, then I don't need to hold my lock bar anymore. You're also going to notice, being an outside slider, the first time down, it's going to adjust the post for you. They're self-aligning. You won't have to worry about making sure the posts are in the right place, because being an outside slider, it's going to align it as it comes down.